Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am describing about sunline. So I will talk more about sunline, sign on the sunline. So some signs we see on the sunline. So what are the result of that sign? If we see some flower like branches in sunline, this type of one line, then other lines, then many lines here. So this is flower branches. So this type of person will be successful after much effort in his life. He will try, and then after many times trying he can get success. So he will be successful, but he have to do his best efforts, many efforts. He will after many efforts he will be successful. And next, if a line cut sunline from heart line, if this is sunline and any line from sunline heart line cuts this sunline, this line can be from somewhere in heart line. So if any line coming from heart line and cuts the sunline, then if it's not cut, it's just a triangle, then it is good sign. And if this line is cutting sunline, then this person will be unsuccessful with his own decision in his life. He will take a decision that will be wrong, and this decision will make person unsuccessful. So this is not good sign. And other, next, there somewhere here is marriage line. If a marriage line cuts a sun line, if a marriage line is extended and it's cut the sun line, then this type of person will be in problem with his wife in his life. He will be suffer with his wife in his life. So this is not also a good sign on sun line. Next, cross lines on sun line. If some lines cross the sun line like this is not, these lines are not good on sun line. So this type of person will be unsuccessful and insulted somewhere, and will be in problem through his life. So this is bad sign in sun line. And next is reverse tree. If a person having a reverse tree, downward line like this on sun line, so this is not also a good sign. This type of person will be insulted in society and will be unsuccessful and will be in problem through his life. So this is not, a reverse tree is not a good sign on the sun line. Next is tree. I was talking before reverse tree, and now this is a tree, a straight tree. So this is good. This type of person having tree on sun line will be very successful in his life. He will gain money and he will be hold a post. This can be a government job, and good he will hold a good post in his life. So this tree is good sign on the sun line. Next is a triangle. A triangle on sun line is very good. This type of person will gain success, name, fame and money, and can be in government job. So this is good sign as per palmistry. And if this triangle cuts the sun line, so this is cut triangle on sun line. so this is not good sign. This type of person will be unsuccessful in his life, and he will be get defame in his life, and this is not a good sign on the sun line. And I was talking about this triangle. So the result of this triangle, tree and this triangle, tree on sun line, and if these are good sign on palm line, sun line, so we have to see the mount condition. They should be high or even, and length of sun line should be good, and from its where it's coming. If we have to analyze these things also, if we are analyzing about these signs on the sun line, so we have to see 2 more points in the sun line. So it's all about today for sun line, and I will more make detail one more video on the sun line, and I think one more video I have to record for the sun line. So it's all about today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.